top of the morning or afternoon. Today I'm going to show my recent prototype, and I want to show you what jobs would you use this kind of a tool on. Now, we have large plate glass, right? So you want to get out of this job. This is a weekly account. And remember when I told you on weekly and bi-weekly accounts, you may find that you really can't charge like you would charge a residential home, or charge like you're only doing it once a month. Because you're doing it frequent, it's more or less of a maintenance setup, which means that you have to make it cost effective for the buyer, whoever's trying to buy what you're selling. So you have to make it affordable for them. But each time, as long as you come and do what you're supposed to do, every week you come here, your job, it should be like that. In and out, bit by bam, and on to the next job. Now, each time I've been to this job, my mind is going like, well, what can I do to get out of this job faster than the last time I did it? Because there's always a better way to do something, all the time. So I started out with Mormon on this job, and a 14-inch, and I was just spinning my wheels with that little squeegee. So I actually switched to Wagtail. This was the last place that I used Mormon on because it broke on me, and I had just got the tool when they sent me replacements. It broke on me, so I was done with it. Besides, it wasn't really making me get done faster. So I ended up using the Highflyer 14-inch, and then I switched to the 24-inch Highflyer. The 24-inch Highflyer was my money maker on this job because it was the biggest squeegee that I could use. Because at the time, my 30-inch was only a squeegee. So I got the idea of attaching the mop and then making it water fed for this job. And I just flew through this job like you wouldn't believe. So I said to myself, well, there's gotta be an even faster way. And there is. And today I'm going to show you. This will be the first time I come close to having another tool that is faster than using my 30-inch mop, water-fed mop and squeegee combo. Is a water-fed orbital one-pass. This is going to be faster than the 30-inch mop and squeegee combo, because I didn't have gliding strips on that 30-inch, only the mop. There's nothing wrong with that. But with a tool like this, if you don't have fingerprints to be concerned about, the fastest way to get plate glass like this is to have a big squeegee for one, not an 18-inch. A 22, a 24, or a 30-inch would be ideal for glass like this. But if you want to get done faster, nothing's faster than a one pass. All right, remember when I told you if you don't have any fingerprints or smudges, this is the fastest way to get this window done. All right, so we're gonna show you how this tool can be effective on an inside job like this. Yes, it can clean more windows than just clean glass. Since I'm here every week, this glass is predominantly clean, but you can't just skip the windows. So this will still get it clean, because if there's dust on there, it's all coming off. You know, it shouldn't be anything else on that window. And if there is, like I said, you can agitate that area that you're concerned about and still produce the same results while getting done faster. You're putting money back in your pocket. But enough of that. Let's do it. Let's jump into it.
Set it off on the left, y'all. Set it off on the right, y'all. Set it off. Come on, let's set it off.